Hello everyone, Paul here from the Key Republic, and today I'm going to be giving you guys your second Java tutorial. Now I know we haven't been around here for around 5 weeks, I think it is now, and that's because school started and it just been kind of complicated. We haven't had enough time to make videos, but that is changing and we now will start making videos more frequently. So anyways, Paul here, I think I've already said this, Paul here, CEO of the Key Republic, and I'm going to be giving you guys your second tutorial of Java. Today we are going to be downloading Eclipse, which is the program where you're going to be compiling all your code. So, let's get started. Okay, so to download Eclipse, you're going to want to go into your internet browser, which is, for me, Google Chrome, my favorite browser. And, alright, go to eclipse.org. Oh, whoops, sorry, I typed in eclipse.org. You're not seeing what I'm typing in because I don't want any of you guys to see my history and everything. Okay, you're going to come up with this page once you type in eclipse.org, and you're going to see a bunch of features on this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to click on the download button of, right here, and it's going to come up with loads of options. Look at all these. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the Windows 64-bit or 32-bit. I have a 64-bit computer, so I'm going to click on the 64-bit. And then it's going to come up with a link. It's not always going to say this. It'll probably change over time. So just click whatever's there, and it should start your download right here. Okay, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. But once it's done downloading, you can pause this video, and once it's done downloading, come back to it. All right, so once you have that, you can exit out of your browser. You're not going to need it, and you're going to want to click on. You want to go to your downloads. So for me, that's around here. It's going to come up with this screen once you click on that, and you're going to want to go on to downloads. This is all the downloads that you've downloaded recently, and you're going to want to look for the Eclipse, Standard, Kepler, or whatever it is. Just look for Eclipse, and it's not going to look like this for you unless you have WinRAR downloaded. You'll probably just have a zipped folder here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right click on that and click on extract here, or extract files. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's, yeah, extract here, and it's going to create a folder right here once this is done that has all the stuff that you need for Eclipse. Just give it some time. Oh, also, just so you know, this is the second time doing this video, so I'm a little bit tired, but it should work out fine. And it's almost done. Okay, so once it's done, you're gonna have this folder that has all the stuff inside of it. So double click on it and look for this program that says Eclipse. This is the final program that you've downloaded and have everything for. You're gonna want to, just to make it easier and you don't have to go through that process again, right click on it and press create shortcut, and then drag that to your desktop. Oh, sorry, I already have it. Like I said, I already I did a video already, so I already have it here, but just drag it to your desktop and you're going to have this. So double click on it. Oh, damn it. Wait 1 second. I have to do that again because I did 2 videos by accident. 1 second. Let me just do what I just need to do. You're going to want to go into the Eclipse folder, create the shortcut, and then just drag it onto your desktop. Okay, so once you did that, you have Eclipse, and you're going to want to double click on it, and it should come up with a loading screen. Now I have dual monitors, so it's not really, you can't see it, but I'm going to drag it over to you once it's possible, so just give it some time. Oh, it's going to come up with this screen. It says select a workspace, and you can just select any workspace that you want as long as it's like a folder or something. Then you're going to want to press OK, and then it's going to come up with the loading screen again. Just give it some time. Okay, so after that's done, it's going to come up with, sorry, it's not going to come up with this. It's going to come up with this. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to press File, New, Java Project or Project. Just click on Java Project for the sake. And it's gonna come up with this window right here. It says create a Java project, enter a project name. So I'm gonna name it tutorial. Now you're not gonna understand any of the stuff which I'm doing with this so far, because I'm just trying to teach you guys how to set up the compiler. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna start teaching you guys how to code. So once you do that, it's gonna come up with this folder right here with the SRC and JRE system library. You're gonna want to right click on the folder, go to new, and then click on class. You can name this whatever you want. I'm gonna call it YouTube, maybe. Press finish, and it comes up with this. Okay, that's all I'm gonna teach you guys inside this tutorial. It's been, I think, like a 6-minute tutorial. I'm not really too sure. It's one of our shorter ones. But in the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to actually start coding with this program. Now, this is so much easier for, this is an easier, you know how in the last tutorial I taught you guys how to do the JDK? Just forget about that. You don't need that, now that we have this. Because once you guys start coding and you do like 1,000-line programs, it's going to be hard to compile it. So what this does is it compiles it for you it's a program that compiles the code for you, and it also tells you if you have errors and everything. So that's nice to have. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.